Welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 7th, manufacturing industries, geography part. This is module 6th. In 5th we discuss about jute industry, and now here we will discuss about sugar industry. These industries that we are discussing, they are on the agro based. From agriculture the raw material is provided. India is second largest producer of sugar and first producer of good, or you may say jaggery and khansri. Okay, now here maximum sugarcane is produced in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra. These are few of the places where maximum production. Other states like Haryana, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. These are also few states where sugarcane is produced. Okay, now maximum sugar mills are in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. That is nearly 60% of the total, and hundreds of sugar mill are available in India. Okay. And maximum these belong to what? Cooperative sector. Now, you know that sugarcane is bulky, and it has sucrose content that helps in sweetness. And if this sugarcane or cane is in the fields for a longer period of the time, then the sucrose content that will decrease, and it will affect the quantity and quality of sugar both. So good transportation system is there, and if it is stayed in the fields for a long period of time, then it will be used as a waste, that will be used as a fuel, nothing else. Okay, now you know that in south and western part of India, maximum sugarcane is produced. This is one of the reasons that why that only in this western part or in southwestern part maximum sugarcane is produced. This is one of the reasons that we will be discussing. What? The climatic condition helps into the growing of this sugarcane. Next is the content of sucrose, because if it is produced in Maharashtra and nearby areas, the sucrose quantity is more. This is the reason that it has more sweetness and good quality of sugar in those areas, and the crushing season is extended due to favorable weather, due to favorable climate. You know that in Maharashtra region or in nearby areas there is not so much of the indifferences in the temperature. The temperature remains normal or moderate. So due to this the crushing season is also extended. Okay. Next is maximum cooperative sector. This is also reason that cooperative sector also helps in this sugarcane production. Okay. Now next thing what will we be discussing, what are the problems faced by sugarcane industry. Now the problems faced by sugar industry. First is inefficient of mills and infrastructure. Means plenty of mills are also not available. Next is old and traditional method of crushing. This is also one of the reason that due to this the sugarcane is affecting. Next is, you may say, transport system. That is also one of the reason that transport system is also not available. Transport system and its waste that is to be used as a fuel. What do you mean by that? It means when the ashes or the remains of sugarcane is there, that should be utilized in other, that may be for the industries as in a form of the fuel. So this is to be also, that is known as baggage, because when the remains of this sugarcane is there, that is to be utilized. This is also one of the problems that we are facing, because it is not properly used. How it is to be used, it is a problem still that is prevalent.